Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we start the video, I'd like to give a big thank you for all of the recent support. If you guys did not know already, this channel is about 4 weeks old now. So thank you for all of the support, all of the comments, especially from Elias. Shout out to you, my guy. I mean, some of his comments were weird and funny at the same time, but most of them were nice. So yeah, if you guys are new and you like the type of content we upload to the channel, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So with that said, let's go on with the video. So if you guys want to hear the sounds of the different planets in our solar system, then skip to the second minute of this video. But if you want to hear the science behind how we can record those sounds, and why we can't hear sounds in space, then keep watching. So what does space sound like? Well, in reality, you can't hear any sounds in the near-empty regions of space. Sound travels through the vibrations of atoms and molecules in a medium, such as air or water. In space, where there is no air, sound has no way to travel. But what scientists have been able to do is they've been able to capture emissions given off when charged particles from the sun encounter our planet's magnetic field. The signals are at really high frequencies that our ears can't perceive them, but the signals can be slowed down enough to allow us to hear them. So sounds with longer wavelengths have lower frequencies, which we perceive as lower pitches. In any gas with a mean free path is the average distance a molecule can travel after colliding with one molecule and before colliding with the next, and so on. In any gas with a mean free path larger than 17 meters, the waves that propagate will be too low frequency for us to hear. These sound waves are called infrasound. Astronomers convert these frequencies into audible sounds. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here are the sounds of all of the planets in our solar system. Thanks again so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you want more of our content, and yeah, see you in the next one.